Hello?
Hello?
What?
Hi.
Yeah, hey.
I'm not.
What's up? Who's this?
So you the one who hit my car?
Huh?
Well, you left your phone number on my windshield.
Nah, dude, that's not me.
Listen, B, you scratched my fender and busted out my taillight.
Nah, dude, that's not me.
Yes, you did.
Who's this?
Who your insurance company, B?
Who's this?
Yo, don't lie to me.
Alright, what's up? Who's this?
Then why'd you leave a damn note?
Why would I leave my number if I busted your windshield out?
I'm losing my patience.
Why would I leave my number? Tell me that.
Man, what's wrong with you?
Alright, well, tell me why I would leave my number.
I got your note right here in my own hands.
What was that?
Suck my neck. Try to suck my neck.
Hello? Hello? Are you just going to wait to hear my